Hey, if you've ever tried to buy a crypto coin that isn't listed on big exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, you know the struggle. You search, you wait, you get frustrated, and sometimes you miss the pump entirely. But what if I told you there's a way to buy crypto without an exchange, and even grab coins that aren't listed anywhere yet? That's exactly what we're diving into today, using a tool called ZenChain AI. Here's the reality. Most traders lose money because they're late. By the time a coin hits a major exchange, whales have already scooped it up, pumped it, and taken profits. You're left holding the bag. Exchanges are slow, centralized, and they don't list the hidden gems until the hype is already over. So the question is, how do you get in early? How do you buy crypto before it's even on an exchange? That's where ZenChain AI comes in. This isn't just another trading app. It's a crypto dashboard built to track whale wallets in real time. Instead of waiting for exchanges to list coins, ZenChain AI shows you what whales are buying directly from the blockchain. Think about it. Whales know something we don't. They move millions of dollars into projects before the public even hears about them. ZenChain AI lets you see those moves instantly, so you can swap into those tokens yourself. No exchange required. Here's how simple it is. Log into ZenChain AI. You'll see a dashboard with market overview, sentiment data, and whale activity. Go to the whale tracker. This shows you what tokens whales are buying and selling across Ethereum, Solana, and more. Pick a project. Maybe you see a meme coin with $48,000 injected in the last 7 days. You click it, and ZenChain AI gives you the contract address, charts, social sentiment, and holder data. Copy the contract. Instead of waiting for Binance or Coinbase, you paste that contract into your wallet, like MetaMask or a Solana wallet, and swap in directly. 2 times and swap out. The goal is simple. Double your money, then play with house money. No waiting, no guessing, no exchanges. That's it. You've just bought crypto not listed on any exchange, straight from the blockchain, guided by whale activity. And this isn't theory. Students using ZenChain AI have reported flipping $400 into $2,000, making $19,000 in a day, and even hitting $71,000 on a single play. Ricky Matega, the creator, has over 25 years of software development experience and $40 million in online sales. He built ZenChain AI to make complex whale tracking simple enough that even his 73-year-old mother could use it. So if you've ever thought crypto was too complicated, too risky, or too late, this tool proves otherwise. No exchanges needed. Buy coins before they're listed. No advanced trading skills. Just copy, paste, and swap. No wasted hours. Research that used to take days is now done in minutes. No guesswork. You're following smart money, not hype. And because ZenChain AI integrates sentiment analysis, charts, and whale wallet transparency, you're not just buying blindly. You're making informed moves faster than 99% of traders out there. Here's the best part. You can get access to ZenChain AI today for less than the cost of dinner and a movie. For just $47, you unlock the full software, training academy, live calls, and community support. Plus, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you've got 3 choices. Do nothing and keep missing out on hidden gems. Stick with exchanges and stay late to the party. Or take action now, grab ZenChain AI, and start buying crypto before it even hits the exchanges. If you're serious about crypto and want to stop chasing hype, this is your chance to get ahead. The whales are already moving millions. The only question is, are you going to follow them or keep waiting for exchanges to catch up? Click the link below, get started with ZenChain AI, and I'll see you inside the training. Until then, trade smart, stay early, and let's make crypto simple again.